Welcome to Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. My name is Chris. Guys, if you like really cool car content, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. We're all the time coming out with cool content like this 1981 Pontiac Trans Am. And this is not your typical grandpa Trans Am. This one was fully built by Schwartz Performance. They put a full bolt-in chassis underneath it. It's the G Machine chassis. It's got triple adjustable coilovers, forged line wheels, 6-piston Baer brakes front and rear, and a twin turbo LS9 engine under the hood, making over 1,000 wheel horsepower. But with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into this video. We'll start up front here. You've got your typical 81 Trans Am front end here, headlights, your Pontiac emblem up there is in good condition. You do have the Screaming Chicken up here on the front that says 6.9 turbo to let you know there's a little extra under the hood there. As we walk around the side of the car here, the fenders, all your ground effects and everything are in pretty good condition. I will say this car was built 10 years ago, so it does have a few little minor things with it, but overall in great condition. You've got a custom set of forged line wheels that are the snowflake wheels that match the Trans Am. Very cool. You got your big Baer 6-piston brakes there with your 14-inch rotor. Another cool feature here that I like about this car, you do have the turbocharger hood on there. So you've got the little gauges and everything on the hood that came on the turbo Trans Ams. You've got the carbon fiber trim here around the window, gives it a really sporty look, lets you know that this thing is definitely a Pro Touring Resto Mod build. As we work our way down the side of the door, your body line here is nice and easy, even all the way down, and it matches up pretty well. You do have the carbon fiber here on the back glass to match the front windshield. Once again, you got 6-piston Baer brakes out back with the 14-inch rotor. Really gives you good stopping power with this beast of a machine. You need that with 1,000 horsepower. As we walk around the back side of the car here, your tail lights, your gas door and everything back here is functional. On the back it says full force Trans Am. Definitely also another little characteristic that lets you know that this thing is packing some power. But with that being said, guys, let's go jump up front and let me show you this twin turbo LS9 engine. All right, guys, check out that beautiful engine bay there. That is a built LS9 engine underneath the hood there, so not just a stock LS9. This one was torn apart and was fully built. I have all the build specs on it on our website. If you'd like additional information, you can get on there and look, or give either Chris or Justin a call. You do have twin turbo set up here. Both your turbos are on each side of the engine. This was all professionally built by Schwartz Performance. You've got your serpentine belt system as well. You've got ice cold AC. Just overall, one amazing machine. And this car, like I said, also has the full custom chassis in it, so you get all the extra bracing and stiffness to help keep everything planted to the ground and let this car really perform well. You have a really nice Be Cool radiator, keep everything nice and cool. But overall, guys, just a really nice car. And if you even notice here on the bottom of the hood, you do have the heat protection shield there to really help keep that heat from soaking up into the hood. But overall, just in a really amazing build, and this thing drives even better than it looks. Speaking of, let's go ahead and move to the interior so I can show you all the custom things in there. All right, guys, welcome to the interior of this beautiful 1981 Trans Am. As you can tell, it's got a lot of its original character as far as the console and your door panels. You do have some power window switches here that were added. But steering wheel, everything is still somewhat original, which I really like. They didn't go too extreme with the interior, just a really nice, clean, and sporty and simple look. But you do have a B&M shifter there. It's a ratchet style shifter. You've got a custom stereo there with a CD. You've got the vintage AC controls there on the dash as well. And you have a few custom gauges here. You do have a digital gauge here that lets you know certain parameters of the engine, fuel, couple things like that. You do have some pretty nice bucket seats here that hold you in nice and tight. You do have 5-point harnesses here as well to keep you protected. But I really like this cage. I like how it rolls down low to the floor like that for you to get in and out pretty easily. Makes it very convenient for having a cage to protect you. And this is a Tiger cage. It's made by RideTech and it's stainless steel. So nice and strong, keeps you nice and protected. Headliner's in great condition. Your dash is all in great condition. But overall, guys, just a really nice car. And but with that being said, let's go ahead and take this one for a drive. It's my favorite part of the videos is taking them for a ride, but this one can be a little scary because of all the power it makes. So we'll definitely take it a little easy on the street. But overall, very nice car. But let's go ahead and take this one for a rip. All right, guys, we're out driving in the Trans Am, and we got the AC blasting in here. I'll go ahead and roll my window up so you guys can hear me good. But guys, this is one amazing machine. You definitely have to respect it. It's definitely very quick. but this car is built to hold this power with the custom chassis, your coilovers, your big wide tires out back, your big brakes. It's just made to handle this kind of power. But AC blows cold, all the gauges work. We just put a little over 10 gallons of fuel in it. We're showing 13 gallons. So like I said, this was a professional build. This was not built in somebody's garage. Not saying that people can't build them right in a garage, but this car was built by the professionals at Schwartz Performance. And guys, it's just one badass car. I absolutely love this car. Everything functions like it should. It's got a built 4L85 transmission in it, so it shifts nice and good, and it can handle 1,000 horsepower. Just a really nice car. The steering's nice and tight and reactive. Brakes feel amazing on it. Just overall, one awesome car. But we'll go ahead and get on it here. Like I said, I'm gonna respect it because this thing is sketchy. Jesus, it scares me, guys, because once it builds boost, it starts taking off, and it'll blow these big tires off in the back there. But overall, just one badass car. We'll do one more little pull because I got a little nervous there. Jesus Christ. Guys, my heart's just pumping, man. This is one amazing machine, guys. But if you're interested in this car, do not hesitate on this thing for the price that it's at right now. We do not see it lasting very long. This is definitely one high quality build that is definitely a head turner. But let's go ahead and get back to the shop, put this bad boy on the lift so I can show you the full custom G Machine frame underneath it and all the custom rear end and all that stuff underneath the car, because it's definitely worth seeing. All right, guys, we got the 81 Trans Am up on the lift here at the dealership. We'll start up front here. You've got that big aluminum radiator with the electric fans that keep everything nice and cool. One of the other things that I wanted to mention on this car, it is a dry sump system. One of the advantages to the dry sump system is to keep oil starvation under high G loads. So with this car being twin turbo and having the full custom Schwartz bolt-in frame underneath here, you definitely want that because this car can definitely handle some G-forces, so the engine won't starve of any oil. Plus, you get a little bit extra oil capacity with the dry sump system, so with running the turbos and everything, you'll make sure that you get plenty of oil to the engine and the turbos. You do have triple adjustable coilovers up here. You've got tubular A-arms. You've got the big 6-piston Baer brakes up here with the 14-inch rotors to really give you some good stopping power. Rack and pinion steering that really give you the response in the steering like a true sports car. As you can tell, all your exhaust here is Cerakoted. Cerakoted, done in black. You've got a 4L85E transmission that is built to handle all that horsepower. This car's putting down around a little over 1,000 wheel horsepower, so you definitely need a strong transmission. And as you can tell on the floor pans here, this car was frame off done. So all the bottom of the floor pans were painted on nice, like cream white. If you look at all your plumbing and everything down here on the frame, everything looks nice and clean with P-clamps, and everything's bolted nice and tight to the frame. It's one of the big advantages you get by having professionals build a car. Everything is been touched, and all the fit and finishes are done very nicely. Like I said, the exhaust has all been ceramic or Cerakoted, and you've got stainless steel mufflers here and exhaust that go out the back as well. You've got a custom Mosier 9-inch rear end here. You've got your big Baer brakes out back as well, like we mentioned earlier in the video. But as you guys can tell, typically with these cars, you would have subframe connectors that would run back here to a leaf spring. But as you can see, this is a full frame. It's all bolt in. It runs back here with your coilovers here that are triple adjustable. Got a nice brand new fuel tank here. But guys, just an overall really amazing car. And if you want some more information to what all's been done to this car, it's all on our website. I've got it all wrote up really good in the description there. Or you can just give me a call here at 770-738-7111. You can catch the description on our website at collectiblemotorcarofatlanta.com. But guys, this is one amazing car, and we're just now getting around to getting this video done on this car because we've been extremely busy with other things going on. But guys, this is one special car, and it is priced at a bargain. You could not build this car for what we're asking for. And like I said, it was built by a reputable shop, Schwartz Performance, and they did one amazing job on this build. So if you're interested in this car, reach out to us as soon as possible. But we'll catch you on the next one.